Welcome to Let Us Read Tuka Together. I am Shamakant Kulkarni, and in this series I am going to read a few Abhangas of Tukaram every week. Sant Jnaneshwar is accredited with building base of Marathi language, while Sant Tukaram gets the credit of building spire of Marathi language. Tukaram has total He has written more than 1 crore of Abhangas. Of these, only 4,551 are available as today. So we are going to start from Abhanga 1. A building is his face standing on a brick. His stands are on the lion. Necklace of basil beads is in the neck. Wearing a yellow garment, this is his figure I like forever. Earrings shaped like fish are shining on his ears. Kautsuga gem splendidly sparkles in his neck. Tuka says, "This is all my happiness. I shall see God's pretty face with pleasure." Feet together, looking ahead, is he is shining on the brick. Hey, hurry, let my attention be at your feet. I don't need any other false things. Hey God, don't let my desire wander there. Ranks, famous gods like Brahma and others are treasures of misery. You might let my mind stick to that, but don't. Tuka says, I came to know essence of that. Whatever actions and religions exist, they all are perishable. Hey, dear one, husband of Rukmini, all the while my eyes should rest on your idol. Your appearance is sweet, your name is sweet. Give me love for this forever. Hey, Mother Vitho, give me only this boon. Please enter and stay in my heart forever. Tuka says, I am not asking for anything else. All happiness lies at your feet, delicate and handsome, idol of Madan. Madan is deity of love. In his brilliance, luster of moon and sun have faded. On forehead is a dot of kasturi, and sandalwood paste is smeared all over. Vaijayanti necklace is shining in the neck. Crown and earrings are adorning his face. It seems his face is cast out of all happiness. He is wearing yellow garment and scarf with silver lining. Hey, ladies, he is bluish like a cloud. Tuka says, my mind has no patience. I can't wait to meet him. So, please move to one side and give me the right of way. Hey, hurry, hands on lion, garlands of tulsi, holy basil in neck. Show me your such form to my eyes. Both with both feet are on the brick. Please show me that appearance. Wearing yellow lion cloth at waist and boasting, show me this, show me quickly such idol. You stood on the back of eagle. My mind remembers that pose. Pining for that, now I am about to become a skeleton. Come to meet me, hey Pandharinath. Tuka says, please satisfy my desire. Don't reject my request. Riding on eagle, wearing yellow loincloth, when would I see such attractive blackish appearance? Best among the best, blackish like dark clouds. Vaijayanti garland adorns his neck. He is wearing crown on forehead, which is shining with flare of million suns. Clear Kautsuba gem adorns the neck. His face is cast out of all delights. On the left is beautiful Rukma Devi. Uddhav and Akrur are standing on his both sides. Sanaka and other saints are singing ballads. Tuka says, not like others, he is that my dear friend Panduranga. You may not be able to sing with sweet melody. God may not have given you sweet voice. Even then, Vitthal is not hungry for that. Whatever you can speak, with those words, chant Rama Hari Krishna. With love, faith and power of passion, ask God, devotion you love. Tuka says, hey mind, I tell you this thought, be certain about it day after day. I am alert, watchful. I have come to vigil for Hari, that made sleep in the form of sins go away. This sleep was obstruction in my way. Where is gathering of Vaishnavas? Loud acclamation of Hari's name is reverberating everywhere. Tuka says, at that place turns goes shadow of my grace. Who is aware about his welfare? His parents are blessed. Sons and daughters born in that family who become pure and holy make God feel glad. They listen to Gita and Bhagavata story of Sri Krishna Bhagavan and think of Vithoba non-stop. Tuka says, if I could serve them, then there would be no end to my fortune. God tests sweetness in the heart of devotee and sees intention and passion inside there. God is relative, God is creative, God is relative, God is relative of pure people. God purifies and adorns them with his own wealth. Tuka says, he eats with them and gives them love for him. Thank you very much. I'm going to stop here today.